Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. This prevents accidental signals and lets the keyboard enter reset mode safely. Once powered off, remove batteries or unplug USB and wait 10 seconds. If your board has a reset pinhole, insert a paperclip gently. If not, prepare to press a specific key combo on the underside. Make sure you know the model number now, because model-specific combos vary. This first step forces the device into a neutral state, so the next actions will reliably trigger factory reset. Once you're ready, perform the core sequence. Hold the reset pin or the designated keys and reconnect power or reinsert batteries. Keep holding for 5 to 12 seconds. You should see LED activity or a flash pattern that confirms bootloader entry. For Bluetooth models, hold the pairing button along with reset. This forces BLE stack erase. If LEDs flash in a specific pattern, release immediately. If not, continue to 12 seconds. Doing this clears firmware settings and restores defaults at the hardware level. You finish by rebooting and testing. Reconnect wired or repair Bluetooth, then verify keys and layers are back to defaults. If nothing changed, try an alternate key combo from the manual or use the manufacturer's firmware utility to trigger recovery. If LEDs never indicated entry, attempt a firmware reflash via bootloader mode. That wipes settings and reinstalls core firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. If the keyboard is unresponsive, repeat steps with a different USB cable or port, because faulty cables often block boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.